Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Valorant. A critical error has occurred, and the process must be terminated. Chapter 1. Fix error Valorant. A critical error has occurred, and the process must be terminated, deleting temporary ones. To begin, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. When you access, select the Riot process. Click End Task to close the application. After that, in the search box, enter %localappdata %. Click on File folder. Here, open the Valorant folder, then in Saved, delete all the folders hosted there. Chapter 2. Fix error Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated from services. To start, enter services in the search box, open local services. In the console, you will select the VGC service, double-click on it. After that, in the Startup Type field, select Automatic, then click Start, finally click Apply and OK. Chapter 3. Fix error Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated, uninstalling addon. To start, from the search box, open the control panel. You are going to click on Uninstall a program. Here, select Riot Vanguard. Click on Uninstall, click on Yes to continue, and when asked, you must confirm this operation. Finally, you are going to right-click on the shortcut and choose the option Run as Administrator. Press Yes to open Valorant. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.